thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY. Thank you so much, Sams, for sending over this hair. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. Make sure you like this video, give it a nice big thumbs up, and share it with a friend. So today, the unit that we have is from a company called the Stylist. This is their Swiss lace silk top wig, and it is in the style Swiss Goddess, and I do have her in the color OT Blue Black. I think that's the color on the stock card as well. I think I've tried another wig from the Stylist. It's not one of the more popular wigs that I usually choose from, but I decided to do something different today, so we'll see how that works out. I know that blue black is gonna work for me because I absolutely love blue hair on me. It's something about blue hair on my skin tone. I absolutely love it. It's one of like my favorite colors. I haven't had it in a while though, and I'm kind of not sure why, but anyway, so this is what the stock card looks like, and this is definitely the color that I have. Looks like she has multiple parting options, which you can see down here. So we'll definitely try to get into some of those. Multi-directional part, so I guess you can just shift the part. It's not so much that you can change the part around. Oh no, you can change the part around. Okay, so this is a silk top, and it does have soft lace on the edges. You do have a really nice plucked hairline here. I kind of like how this hairline is looking. The lace looks a little dark for my skin tone, so we'll see how that goes, but the lace actually looks darker than my skin tone. We have two combs on the side. We have one comb in the back and your adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off. This one feels really thick, and it feels really, it feels very yucky. So she's definitely thick and she's definitely yucky. She has some layers at the bottom and a nice little bump. I'm excited about this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and come on back. Now I'm not gonna put a cap on or anything. I'm gonna see how she does without a cap. And then we'll go ahead and just lay her down with probably just some edge control. I doubt I'll use any type of glue or gel today.